So these may caught your eye in a couple of the other videos. These are the new Triad Soundbars. So they brought these out in a 3, 4, 5 and 6 inch version for those who want some really big drivers. So where we use these soundbars a lot of time is in a living room surround sound option. So maybe like a snug, not quite a cinema, but a little bit of a media room setup. So we can make them in 1, 2 and 3 channel options. So we could maybe use those as a 2-channel soundbar with a sub, or we could use it as a 3-channel LCR as part of a wider surround sound system. Now, although as sexy as they look on there, if you didn't want to see that, they come with a grill option too. So the grill option on these just completely magnetizes onto the speaker, which for me, I thought was very cool. Like this one on here, you can just magnetize it on. So they come in the standard colors and the wooden finishes, but as always with the Triad soundbars, because these are completely custom made, we can get them done in any colorway, any finish, Dulux paint color, foreign ball paint color, to match the interiors. Now, if we just come down a little bit further here, we've got some new subs. So these are a slightly different format, these subs. So these subs are more designed for the aesthetics. You can tell these are a lot more sexy than a traditional sub, especially this one here, they're in piano black. And these are in a dual 8, dual 10 or a dual 12-inch subwoofer, so they're gonna kick out plenty of bass. So yeah, really nice speakers here, new ones from Triad.